In this video, I am about to show you how to easily send large videos through Dropbox. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type Dropbox into the search bar. Press enter to bring up the search results. Now click on the first link to go directly to the Dropbox website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the sign up button. You'll have the option to create a new account by continuing with your Google account. Select your Google account and click confirm to proceed. Next, click on agree and sign up to finish creating your Dropbox account. At this point, you'll be asked to choose your Dropbox type. You can select personal if you're using Dropbox for individual purposes. Once you're inside the Dropbox dashboard, click on the create button at the top. From the options that appear, click on folders to create a new folder where you will store the large videos. Now click on upload and select the large videos you want to share from your computer. After selecting your videos, you will need to enter a name for the folder where the videos will be stored. Type the name and click create. Next, set the sharing permissions by choosing anyone with this link can edit so that the recipient can access the videos. Now add the email address or name of the person you want to share the videos with. Then click create and the link to the folder will be automatically generated and copied. Lastly, click on the share folder button to share the link with others. You can now paste the copied link into an email or message and send it to your recipient. And that's it. Your large videos are now ready to be shared via Dropbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.